doing. Matt Stone outlines the allegations.
In its damning report of Lordstown Motors, Hindenburg alleges that the company has faked its orders, has no revenue whatsoever, and doesn't even have a product to produce here. Now, for a long time, CEO Steve Burns has boasted that they have at least 100,000 orders for its Endurance truck, but according to Hindenburg, those orders are just fictitious. For example, Hindenburg cites a 14,000 truck deal from E-Squared Energy, which was to be worth a $735 million order, to be fake, as the site claims E-Squared is based out of a Texas apartment with no vehicles. Another example, a 1,000 truck order from a two-person startup with no office. When they were contacted by Hindenburg, they acknowledged that the pre-order was just a marketing relationship. Hindenburg says it spoke with former senior Lordstown Motor employees who described Steve Burns as a con man or a P.T. Barnum. The employees allegedly told Hindenburg that Burns began paying consultants for every truck pre-order as early as 2016 while he was at Workhorse. Hindenburg says instead of production starting this September, as currently claimed by Lordstown, it will more likely be 3 to 4 years before that could happen. According to the Wall Street Journal, Burns told them the Hindenburg report contains half-truths and lies, and that they are motivated to hurt the Lordstown stock before the company reports its first quarterly update as a publicly traded entity next week. Burns also reportedly told the Journal Lordstown did pay consultants to generate pre-orders that were understood to be non-binding as a way to access market demand, but denied it misrepresented its pre-order book. With more local news, I'm Matt Stone.
We reached out to Lordstown Motors for a response, and they sent this shortly before our broadcast, saying, quote, "We will be sharing a full and thorough statement in the coming days, and when we do, we will absolutely be refuting the Hindenburg Research report." Well, investors responded to that Hindenburg Research report. The Lordstown Motors stock fluctuated throughout the day, closing at $14.78 per share. That's compared to a previous close of $17.71 per share.